Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the Samsung HW-B57C B-Series 4.1 channel soundbar. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to grab this amazing soundbar today at the best price available. Now, if you're looking to upgrade your home audio system, this soundbar is an incredible choice. The Samsung HW-B57C features Dolby audio and DTS Virtual X, delivering immersive surround sound that will enhance your movie nights, gaming sessions, or music experience. One of the standout features of this soundbar is its 4.1-channel configuration, which includes a wireless subwoofer and rear speakers. This setup ensures that you get deep bass, clear mids, and a crisp high end for a full range, rich sound. Gamers, you're in for a treat with the Game Mode feature. This automatically adjusts the sound settings to bring out the best in your gaming experience, making every explosion, every footstep, and every soundtrack more dynamic and thrilling. Whether you're playing action-packed games or immersive RPGs, the soundbar adapts perfectly to create an atmosphere you can feel. Plus, the wireless Bluetooth TV connection makes setting up this soundbar a breeze. No need for messy wires, and you can easily connect your TV, smartphone, or other devices. The rear speaker kit included is a game changer as well. It provides an even more immersive experience by placing sound all around you, making it feel like you're part of the action. Overall, the Samsung HW-B57C B-Series soundbar is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to upgrade their audio setup. With its excellent sound quality, convenience, and sleek design, it's a must-have for your entertainment space. So, what are you waiting for? Click on the link below to get yours today, and elevate your audio experience to the next level.